Happiness is a complex and subjective experience, often described as a state of well-being and contentment. It can be influenced by various factors, including relationships, achievements, health, and even genetics. While some people find happiness in external successes, others derive it from internal peace and self-fulfillment. Philosophically, happiness has been explored in different ways. For example, Aristotle saw it as the highest good, achievable through a life of virtue. In modern psychology, it's studied through positive psychology, focusing on what makes life worth living. Ultimately, happiness can mean different things to different people, but it's generally seen as a desirable state of mind that contributes to overall life satisfaction. There are many paths to achieving happiness, and what works for one person might not work for another. However, some common methods have been identified across various studies and philosophies. 1. Cultivating gratitude. Regularly expressing gratitude for the things you have, whether big or small, can significantly boost your overall happiness. Keeping a gratitude journal is a simple way to start. 2. Building positive relationships. Strong, supportive relationships are crucial for happiness. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, and invest time in nurturing these relationships. 3. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, which can help reduce stress and increase feelings of contentment. Techniques like meditation can help develop mindfulness. 4. Pursuing meaningful goals. Setting and working towards personal goals that align with your values and passions can provide a sense of purpose, leading to deeper, more sustainable happiness. 5. Maintaining physical health. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep contribute to both physical and mental well-being. When your body feels good, it can positively impact your mood. 6. Engaging in activities you enjoy. Spending time on hobbies or activities that bring you joy can lead to increased happiness. Whether it's creative pursuits, sports, or simply spending time in nature, doing what you love is important. 7. Helping others. Acts of kindness and helping others can create a sense of connection and fulfillment. Volunteering or simply being kind to those around you can have a positive impact on your happiness. 8. Practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. Accept your flaws and forgive yourself for mistakes, as self-compassion is linked to greater happiness. 9. Embracing change. Life is full of changes, and learning to adapt and accept change can reduce stress and lead to a more contented life. Flexibility in thinking and openness to new experiences can foster resilience and happiness. 10. Limiting materialism. While financial stability is important, excessive focus on material possessions often leads to temporary satisfaction rather than lasting happiness. Prioritizing experiences and relationships over material goods can lead to greater fulfillment. 11. Practicing positive thinking. Developing an optimistic outlook can improve your mood and help you cope with challenges. Reframing negative thoughts and focusing on positive aspects of situations can increase happiness. 12. Balancing work and life. Finding a balance between your professional and personal life is crucial. Overworking can lead to burnout, while making time for relaxation, hobbies, and loved ones can enhance happiness.